the Anime North Second-Hand Market. Happens every year on Friday at 7 o'clock.
Are you participating this year?
Yep, I'm a seller alongside Alvin over here.
And so it begins. So after waiting in line outside, we finally enter with our inventory, to which we are greeted by another line.
There's a line inside too.
Of course. Alvin, we're at a convention. There's lines everywhere.
Lines after
Let me just push this back forward because I do not trust it going backwards.
So after presenting our pre-registration credentials, we're finally able to actually enter the showroom for us to set up our booth. Of course, naturally, the first thing to do is to find our booth, and despite the fact that we have our helpers, we're still very much lost. And this is despite the fact that our crew is there to help them, and we were still struggling mightily. But when we do find our booth, we were quite the excited bunch.
25223 is probably that one there then.
Oh, that's blessed! Yo, that's blessed!
Oh, we got the corner spot too. That's so good.
Okay, so right now we're vlogging instead of participating because Kevin and his buddy are running a booth in the second-hand market. So right now we're on food duty, Danny and I. Gang. So we're just gonna grab food for ourselves and the boys, and then we're gonna go back inside. Thankfully, we don't really need to line up or anything. I mean, we were there setting up a table, so we were there since time. But yeah.
Tell us about today's experience specifically at selling at Nominoichi.
Well, it was fun. Stood at a booth for 4 hours. But honestly, that was the most fun I've had at AN. I think it's a very new experience.
Would you do it again?
Yeah, I think I'll do it again. It's very fun. Also, I have a lot of stuff to get rid of, so yeah, gotta do it again next year.
Loosely, how much money did you make?
From what I could tell, we made at least 800.
Hey, let's go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna spend it all tomorrow, huh?
No, probably not. But it's split between me and Dang's stuff though. Some of his stuff's sold, some of mine's sold.
True.